बालकलाकार त्रिशा ठोसरला नुकताच नाळ 2 सिनेमातील तिच्या अभिनयासाठी नॅशनल अवॉर्ड मिळाला. तर अनेकांनी त्रिशाचं खूप कौतुकही केले. अशातच आता हिंदी आणि साऊथ इंडस्ट्रीतील अभिनेते कमल हसन यांनी स्वतः त्रिशाला व्हिडिओ कॉल करून तिचं कौतुक केले.
Hi, my name is Kamal Hanapan.
Yes, I know.
Okay. So, I saw you getting the award.
Yes.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. What are you doing now? What film are you doing?
Malaysia Ambedkar movie.
Oh, he's a great director. He's a friend of mine.
Yes, sir.
So, tell me when you're doing the next film. Send me a message.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Keep in touch. You're great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
No, what blessing. We are both children of cinema.
Hi, sir. I'm your mother.
Oh, you must be very proud.
Yeah.
Please educate her well, but this is a special talent.
Thank you, sir.
सबको नहीं आएगा. सबको नहीं आएगा. No, but she needs more than blessing, she needs training. You tell me what she wants to do. In this field, we will help her. But train her well. If she likes to sing, dance, whatever she wants. She's special and she'll be confident now. Because she's gotten the confidence because people have applauded her.
Thank you.
So, you must put her in it. Whatever she likes, but get her the best of teachers. I'll introduce you to some people who will at least make her see movies which are special for children.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
दरम्यान नाळ 2 सिनेमातील त्रिशाची भूमिका तुम्हाला आवडते का, हे आम्हाला कमेंट्समध्ये नक्की सांगा. मराठी सिनेविश्वातील बातम्या, अपडेट्स आणि गॉसिपसाठी सबस्क्राईब करा राजश्री मराठी.